How's it? Everyone, welcome back to our channel Mumma and Ethan Vlogs. Hope you guys are doing well. We are also very well and fine. So today I'm here with a wonderful recipe of spinach pesto with some tweaks, and without any delay, let's get started. So I'm taking nearly 500 grams of spinach and I washed them, and then chicken breast, which I just cut it in the strips. You can cut as per your requirement. I cut it like this way just because I'm using linguine pasta, which is like a flat spaghetti. So first we're gonna just kind of blanch. It's not actually blanch, but it's like a little, just one boil for your spinach, and 4 cloves of garlic. Yes, of course we need to put salt in this water. So once it's done, just one boil, we'll just put it into cold water. You can use ice water as well for that, and just dip it once and rinse it and then strain it directly. And you can go for blanch as well. So in this way, you can keep the color, like the green color, as it is, otherwise it turns to black. So here everything is done and I'm just gonna strain it and put it aside. And the water which left from the spinach, I'm just gonna take off some out, and then with the little water I'm gonna just put my chicken just for same one boil only. I'm not adding any salt here because salt was already there before, and nothing else, just this leftover spinach water. Now it's done. I'm just gonna take it out and strain it, and then this water I'll strain it again, and then this is after straining because I want to save this lumps, and I'm just gonna add it on my spinach later. And then I added some more water on the same leftover water from the chicken to boil my pasta. So meanwhile the water is boiling, we'll just put a pan just to make sure that we need to stir some our chicken. We need to stir that. And while I was doing that, Mr. Ethan was playing here with his car. Is it your guys notice I haven't wasted any of the water from here. The last water from the pasta, I just kept it aside, and when it's cooled down, you can just put it in your plants, guys. Alright guys, on the other side we'll just blend the spinach and garlic, and I just put this leftover chicken broth here and just blend it well, make it a nice smooth puree. Already, so now the oil is hot. I'm just gonna add all of the chicken all together. We just need to just pan fried it until it turns golden brown. And here the water is also boiling, so I'm using this flat spaghetti linguine, which I'm just gonna put little by little. Otherwise, if you chuck all of them together, they can stick with each other very likely, because I did it before and it happens with me with the spaghetti. So from that time I just make sure that I'm just gonna put little by little, and then once it's just getting smooth, then I'll add it some more here. This pasta actually took time, I think around 10 to 12 minutes to boil. So now it's nearly 90% boiled. I'm gonna just strain it here. And other side, the chicken is also ready. It's nice and golden brown. I'll just take it off, and I'm just this is the tweak which I'm doing it here. So I'm using walnut and cashews instead of pine nuts. So I just make a powder, and then I'm gonna just add it on my spinach puree, and I'm just gonna give one more blend here. If you have a good blender, you can add everything together, guys. So here all 3 ingredients are ready, and now we'll just put the same pan. I put half a tablespoon of ghee here. You can use oil or butter, but I just want to avoid butter because it's for Ethan. And then I'll just put the pasta here, and then just toss it for half a minute or just 1 minute, just little toss. And once you've done that one, you just add your sauce, means your puree. So means how much you want, it's up to you, like you want more saucy or more dry, and just mix it well. So once I mixed it well, if you have noticed, I haven't added any of the spice here, like no chili and nothing. So I'm gonna add here pepper. But if you want, if you're making for yourself, you can add green chilies while making your spinach puree. I'm not adding any chili here, no flakes, and even you can add flakes as well, chili flakes. And here I'm not using any Parmesan cheese, as you have seen that I just blended spinach and garlic, but here I'm adding cream cheese. You can add any cheese here, but just avoid mozzarella as it is too stretchy. It is good for if you are making some stuffing or something like that, but not with the pasta. But Edam, Colby, other cheese can go well with that. So now the cheese is also mixed, so now it's time to add the chicken here. If you are vegetarian, you can saute some vegetables like mushrooms, carrot, capsicum, red pepper, yellow pepper, and instead of chicken you can just add means here this time, and just give a good mix, and it's ready. It doesn't take that much time. Maybe you will see that it's taking like I'm just doing this and that, but that's the truth, guys. You know, when you are a mom, you are just doing 10 things at a time. So that's what I want to show here to you guys. But anyways, at the end, my little one is very happy. Ethan loved this one, and you guys please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. I'll see you with new recipes and other toddlers video. Till then, bye bye and see you.